Get up! What are you doing?
You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated. You're under arrest. Because I'm telling you, you're under arrest.
What happens when women who are consumed by their own power fantasies challenge the police and make reckless decisions regardless of the consequences? Are they truly fearless of the law, or are they simply unaware of the consequences that are about to come?
Henry.
Grab her up. Sit on the bed. There we go.
Listen, step out of the vehicle, go around the back of the vehicle for this officer right here.
Today we will witness how unhinged Karens face the brutal consequences of their actions. A family dispute over rent escalates into violent rage, forcing urgent police intervention.
Feel like blood! Like he was hitting me! He was choking me!
We're gonna go
he
outside.
Was choking me.
Where we have more room.
On October 6, 2024 in Ohio, a serious altercation between a young woman and her parents occurred at a home in Ohio, prompting police intervention. According to reports, the initial cause stemmed from the woman being asked to pay rent, leading to tensions and an outbreak of domestic violence.
Were you inside when all this is going on?
Yeah.
I need you in here like right now.
They're fighting!
They're fighting. I need you in right now.
Stand there. Who's fighting? Where? What is going on? Okay.
We hold her down!
Okay, she's gonna go out.
Get out!
Pick them up. Let her go.
Get out!
You need to get up.
Yeah, because she broke my TV in there. She took that big thing right there and tried to hit me with it and tried to hit this TV.
Yeah, when she
I
gets
want
up.
her out of here. Her and her girlfriend.
Treasure, come on. Come on, get up. Get up off the floor. Get up. What are you doing?
When police arrived at the scene, they witnessed a chaotic situation. The woman had smashed 2 televisions and even attempted to use a dumbbell to attack her parents. A witness believed to be her girlfriend stated that the conflict began early in the morning when her mother continuously provoked and bullied her, though she did not elaborate on the acts of property destruction.
They got my game, but they keep
We'll get it all figured out. We'll come out here with us.
They call last night. Feel like blood! Like he was hitting me! He was choking me!
We're gonna go
he
outside.
Was choking me!
Where we have more room.
He was choking me! He was trying to kill me! He was trying to kill me!
We'll talk to you in a second.
Like, can you please
We're gonna go talk. Stop looking at him.
He keep messing with me!
So how did this all start?
I went to go get my thing and he choked me.
You live here?
He was punching me in my face.
Slow down.
Hey, Brief, I can't talk. I just want to tell y'all.
Take a couple deep breaths and get your stuff together. So, what was going on?
What? Yeah, because they started this yesterday. Like, they didn't even show up last night because it's like they know that she
I saw that
messing.
officers were out here yesterday. So
I
what's
mean,
going on?
messing with
What's
her.
going on today? Why are we all fighting?
We're just getting ready to just head out and go. Her mom was just saying stuff and just messing
How did the TV and everything else get broke?
because they just kept messing.
So
with
she
her.
just slammed it because they were yelling at her?
No, they just kept antagonizing her. They're
Like
just
talking to her?
messing with her, just saying things.
And how did she end up in their bedroom?
They always mess with her, especially her mom.
The woman's father attempted to restrain her to prevent further violent behavior. Some family members reported that she had a history of aggressive and disruptive behavior. In fact, police had been called to the house the previous day, but the situation had not been fully resolved.
Why did you go make it in there?
Because I was just asking for my game, and then he came in there tackling me. I don't know. No, I did not. I really did. I don't know what they're doing.
Well, then who
I just was
did?
about to leave. I don't know. Like, they're crazy. Like, they try to put me up to be the bad guy. And why was all of them in there, like, doing that? Like, it only take one person. He's choking me, trying to kill me. I'm telling you, I wouldn't do this to myself.
Well, when I came in, he was holding you down on the bed.
Hey, no, he wasn't. He was holding me, choking me, and hitting me. Where did
When
I
I
get
came
this from? You came in, but I'm telling
That's
you,
what I
he
saw
was
when I
trying
came in.
to kill me. They tried to kill me. Like, he was choking me. He was punching me in my lips.
Okay. How are you feeling right now?
I can't breathe. I need an inhaler.
Okay. You have asthma?
I don't have asthma, but I have anxiety attacks.
My partner here is gonna get some vitals on you. So you said he was choking you. Did you lose consciousness at all? Okay.
I kept saying help because I was screaming. He was choking me and hit me at the same time.
Just try and take some
You
deep
could
breaths.
look at my lips. He was hitting me in my lips. I wouldn't lie. Like you said, he was holding me down. So how the hell did I do this to myself? He tried to kill me. If somebody's telling y'all somebody tried to kill somebody, y'all need to invest in that.
The woman refused to cooperate when asked to step outside, repeatedly falling to the ground and claiming she was struggling to breathe. She accused her father of choking her, but police found no significant injuries. After verifying witness statements and finding no supporting evidence, she was arrested for domestic violence.
I just let him do this shit. Take on my stuff and break it and stuff because they're going to say I broke the TV. He tried to
They'll
take
take
on
care
my
of that,
stuff. I don't want to leave my stuff. They gonna touch my
You
stuff.
able to come walk with us? Okay.
They gonna touch my stuff, y'all.
I got all their info. I just got mom and dad.
Yeah.
I was standing out here talking and the weird stuff you noticed. This tree was dropping like 50 at a time on this house.
Following her arrest, the woman was taken to the county jail and might have to appear in court the following day. The family also stated that her girlfriend would not be allowed back into the house under any circumstances.
You guys both had some stuff going on, yeah, medically. Yeah, you guys don't need all this stuff
No,
going
I
on.
don't.
What TV was broke?
That one.
Oh.
You see it?
What'd she hit it with? Just punched it?
The thing right there was about it came in my room.
No, she just ended up going over there. What was she doing in there?
That's why I called 911.
I'm not paying my car note. Come on, let's go get the eviction. I'm not paying my car note. I got the money right now in my pocket.
Here's what you can do. You can get online and do the 3-day, right? She said she had to go to the hospital.
Yeah, so what? It takes for them to die for her to get out of here? Because I'm not gonna lie, I don't make threats, but I'm not taking. And that girlfriend, she can't come back up in here either.
I don't think she wants to.
She shouldn't, but either way, I will be here back in a minute.
We had to call the police yesterday.
Yeah, what happened yesterday?
She was here.
Making threats that she was gonna rip that out of my mom's car. She called the police. My mom turned her phone off.
Changes, you can call us back.
As a legal expert, it is essential to examine the Ohio laws applicable to this case. The suspect faces multiple charges under the Ohio Revised Code, ORC, primarily domestic violence, ORC 29, 19.25, A, subject to Division D of this section. A person who is charged with the commission of any offense of violence shall appear before the court for the setting of bail if the alleged victim of the offense charged was a family or household member at the time of the offense, and if any of the following applies. 1. The person charged at the time of the alleged offense was subject to the terms of a protection order issued or consent agreement approved pursuant to Section 2919.0.26 or 3113.31 of the Revised Code, or previously was convicted of or pleaded guilty to a violation of Section 2919.0.25 of the Revised Code, or a violation of Section 2919.27 of the Revised Code, involving a protection order or consent agreement of that type, a violation of an existing or former municipal ordinance or law of this or any other state or the United States.
I thought it was a big bag.
Oh, this is a smaller one. You do have a big back one?
When you go back to get your stuff,
I am gonna call.
don't do any kind of drama. Try to see if an officer can come out.
She did that, you
Then
know.
I'll be back.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So thank you so much.
Cover your ass.
Yeah.
That's basically the what we want you to do.
Currently, the woman is facing domestic violence charges which could result in jail time, probation, or mandatory participation in a behavioral management program. The incident also raises concerns about domestic violence and the legal handling of disruptive family conflicts. Next, let's dive into a situation that feels like it's straight out of a movie. At approximately 10:45 p.m. on May 29, 2023, Patrol Officer Nicholas Brady, Avalon Police Department, noticed a white 2016 Jeep leaving Wawa 2701 Ocean Drive without its headlights on. He turned his vehicle around, followed the Jeep, and conducted a traffic stop. The driver, identified as Valerie, was asked to present her driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance, while Officer Brady checked her information.
Do you have the vehicle's registration and insurance by any chance? Thank you. Just hang tight for a couple minutes and I'll get you back on the road, all right?
Patrol Officer Anthony DiCicero arrived to assist and recognized Valerie as someone he had warned a few hours earlier at Wawa about her intoxicated state. He had advised her to leave her vehicle until 6 a.m. for safety reasons. However, Valerie disregarded the warning and drove away, leading to the traffic stop on Avalon Boulevard. Surveillance footage from Wawa later confirmed DiCicero's account.
Ma'am, do you remember me? Didn't I tell you leave your car at Wawa until 6 a.m. when you were supposed to pick it up because you were too drunk to drive? You don't remember that conversation? I gave you a break at the RIP at the Wawa. Well, it's up to the officer that made the motor vehicle stop. It's up to my officer right here because he's conducting the motor vehicle stop. But as soon as I pulled up to back him up, I immediately realized what vehicle it was. Listen, step out of the vehicle, go around the back of the vehicle to this officer right here.
Suspecting Valerie was under the influence of alcohol, Officer Brady asked her to perform field sobriety tests. The results indicated signs of impairment. She exhibited lack of control in the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, failed to properly complete the walk and turn test, and struggled to maintain balance in the one-leg stand test. The officers concluded that Valerie was unfit to drive safely.
I'm not done completing the test, okay? I'll let you know when the next test is, all right?
I did 9, right?
Okay. Now just turn around for me and take 9 steps back for me.
How many seconds per foot?
It's
Until you decide?
It's one leg of your choosing, and I will tell you to stop when you need to stop, okay?
Okay.
And you put your arms down by your side, and you may begin whenever you need to, whenever you're ready, okay? Do you understand my instructions?
I do.
Okay, so you can begin at any time.
Okay. How long am I gonna have to wait on my right? Like my left hamstring is really sore.
You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
How?
You're under arrest.
How?
Because I'm telling you, you're under arrest.
What?
You did not pass the test.
How? Because of what?
Ma'am, you failed the field sobriety test. I talked to you earlier. There'll be a supplement report saying I spoke to you in Wawa. There's video footage that we can get as well.
What did I just do right now, though?
You failed the field sobriety test.
Though?
Officer Brady arrested Valerie for driving while intoxicated, DUI, handcuffed her, and transported her to the Avalon Police Department. There she was read the standard statement and asked to provide a breath sample for a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, test. However, she refused and requested a lawyer. Under New Jersey's implied consent law, refusal to submit to testing results in additional charges and increased penalties.
So I just wanted to make sure it was no because it's on here. So say no if it's no.
No, I want to.
So no, you're not going to submit the breath samples as long as we get that.
I don't agree with me failing anything tonight.
And that's okay. You have that right. But I just needed to get an answer for this. And I just wanted to make sure we were on the same page. You said no to breath samples. So I am a police officer. I am investigating 39450, which is DUI, which allegedly occurred on this date in Avalon, New Jersey. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning, if you wish, at no expense to you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and may stop answering questions at any time or consult with an attorney before answering further, even if you sign the waiver below. And then you have to check either box here, without an attorney or with an attorney. You just have to check it and then sign right there after you check one of these boxes.
Without an attorney, because I don't have one here.
No, that's not how it works.
Well, I'm not going to sign anything. I want my attorney here.
So then you put this, you check in the presence of my attorney, so you would check that box.
I want to wait till my attorney is
So
here.
you refuse to sign.
I want to wait till my attorney's here.
I'm not trying
You
to-
have a camera on right now. I'm saying that I want to wait till I have an attorney here. You keep speaking to me. They spoke to me in the freaking. I didn't fail anything. Like, this is absurd.
If you are adamant that you didn't fail anything, wouldn't you take the breath samples then to prove that you're not drunk?
Well, guess what? I will, but
I'm just asking you. If you say you're not intoxicated,
do that,
then you would take
but
the
I
breath
don't
samples.
trust you guys. You want to know why?
You don't have to trust us.
Okay, I agree.
You got to read that paper just like I read it to you. It's totally within your right. Nobody's trying to trick you by any means.
Do you know anything that's going on in America? Like, nobody trusts the police.
Who's nobody? You might not trust the police. I know a lot of people that actually do trust the police. I don't know what that means.
I just saw you turn that on. That's funny. People don't really trust the police right now.
So I can't be a Democrat and trust the police?
You can, but I'm saying I'm very not worthy.
I was just curious about your statement. I was very surprised by that statement, actually, because I like to think of myself as a Democrat sometimes.
Okay, great.
And I guess I can't like myself. That was eye-opening. Learn something new. Well, you have a good night. If you need anything.
The police charged Valerie with 3 violations: driving while intoxicated, DWI, refusing to submit to a breath test, and failing to use headlights. At her court hearing on June 2, 2023, she was convicted of DWI, ordered to complete 12 hours of rehabilitation at the Intoxicated Driver Resource Center, and fined $640. The remaining 2 charges were dismissed as part of a plea agreement. Domestic violence and drunk driving are serious threats to society, leading to legal consequences and endangering lives. Resolve conflicts peacefully and never drive under the influence to ensure safety for all. Hey everyone, what are your thoughts on this situation? Drop your comments below and make sure to subscribe for more engaging and informative content coming your way. Thanks for all your support.